Hi! Today is Friday, June 20th. It is Disney travel day for everybody but me. So earlier today, you had Mother, Tammy, David, Braden, and Riley. They all went in a car together. Then you have Amanda, Dan, TT, Ava, and Emma. They all went into a car together. And then Laura, Matt, Peyton, and Cam, they all went into a car together. And they are on their way driving down south. Plan is that they're stopping in Georgia. We'll see. And all getting a hotel to then wake up tomorrow to continue on the second part of their travel day to get all the way down to Florida. Me and Turtle are not leaving until Sunday morning. So the day that we actually check into the hotel at Pop Century, that's the day me and Turtle fly out. And then they're just going to drive to Pop Century early in the morning on Sunday. While they're on their way, I checked the map. They are all in Virginia somewhere. Whereas I'm at home with my no electric because my electric's out. Trying to get some packing in. That's the extent of my packing. They've made it to Virginia, and this is as far as I've gotten in my packing. So I will keep updating, but this is the start of our Disney trip. And I realized I forgot to mention, Gracie's going on the trip with us. She's with Laura. Don't know why I forgot her. There's a million kids, so sorry. All right, y'all, today is everybody else in the family's travel day 2. They all made it down. Everybody made it down to Florida except for me. I am in my car enjoying the air conditioning outside of a laundromat. Still no air conditioning, or sorry, no power for going on 2 days now. And I needed to come to a laundromat to do my laundry so I can fly out tomorrow, because tomorrow is my flight. And it's hot in there, so I have to sit in my car. But everybody else, they got a hotel last night, then kept driving down this morning, checked into the hotel. They were all swimming in the pools and everything, so that is their travel day 2. Hopefully people are videoing things to add to my video. And then tomorrow morning, me and Turtle are going to be leaving at 5:30 a.m. to go to the airport. Our flight is at 9 a.m. Fingers crossed that we leave on time. We still have not packed. Literally just waiting on the laundry now. We still have no power. The house is a wreck. We constantly are playing with the generator, so it's a great day before the vacay. See you tomorrow for my Disney travel day. Hey, where are we going?
To the hotel. To Disney. The hotel. Disney, baby.
Disney, baby.
Eddie, you're going to be my helper.
All right, so we are just a little bit later on. I know everybody checked into the hotel. I think they're all out at Disney Springs. I have finally packed. I am packed. Turtle is not. So we're getting close. Still no power. Praying it comes on before I go to bed tonight. It's getting close. We will be on our way to the airport, if not kind of already there, like 12 hours from now. It's exciting. See you later. Good morning. It's Disney day 1. This is mine and Turtle's travel day. We are up. It is 5:20 a.m. It is also June 22nd. We are leaving for the airport very, very soon. We have a 9 o'clock flight. Fingers crossed that we go on time. Mother and everybody else, they're already down there. They stayed at a Holiday Inn. And this morning they're going to get up and they're going to go and check in at Pop Century. Plan is for, if our flight is on time, me and Turtle are going to get into Orlando, and we are gonna Uber straight to Blizzard Beach because we get a free water park day today. So I'm super excited. I really hope we get to go because I haven't been to Blizzard Beach since high school. Like, that's the last time I went was high school. So I'm super excited. So we just need everything to work out so we can get there. If that's the case, we are going to Uber straight to Blizzard Beach. Mother's gonna drive her car there, and then we are gonna spend the day at Blizzard Beach and then go back to the hotel and then go to Disney Springs tonight. So this is our Disney day one, first day in Disney. I'm super excited, and we'll show you along the way. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Disney day. All right, so we have made it to Orlando. Stressful morning. We don't need to get into it though, but all is good, all is good. We are on our way to Blizzard Beach right now. Looks great out. I'm super excited. Are you excited?
Yes, can't wait.
Whoop whoop. Because we're here. Whoop whoop.
We did the same thing.
Like the bus is there. Let's go. That's it. We're headed. We're in Disney. Welcome to the Disney transportation.
All right, so we've made it to the hotel after a day at the water park. It did get rained out and started storming. We tried to hold out, me, Turtle, and Braden, but the storm just wouldn't stop. So we are back. We just checked into our room, so I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. Okay, so when you come in, here is the pull down bed and table. So that's gonna get pulled down so Braden has a bed. Then we have over here, Turtle's stacking the fridge with our waters. Welcome to the Hall and Coulter's party. Braden is our roommate for the week. He's already packing up, unpacking. Then we've got the beds.
I got two of everything.
What's in here? Oh, that's for the
Snacks.
know where the safe is. We're connecting door to somebody I don't know. All right, these open and close.
And our neighbors will follow them.
Yeah, Grandma and Pop-Pop are next door to us. Hi, and here is our bathroom. It's a little chilly in here because we've been in the rain. And then another door here. Hey, someone's knocking. And then we go into the bathroom. Hold on. All right, so that is our room tour.
I just packed me some of this stuff.
Mother made an appearance. All right, it is time for Disney Springs. It looks like the rain kind of died down a little bit. It has been raining for like literally hours. So hopefully it is gonna go away for a bit so we can walk around and go to Disney Springs. Me and Turtle's getting ready, have a dinner reservation at the Edison. So I'm gonna go there. Got my ears on, got my Disney jewelry on. Riley and Gracie picked this out for, I think, my birthday a couple years ago, and I brought it with me. I got my lounge fly, and we'll get back to you when we're at Disney Springs. All right, so we are out here at Disney Springs. Right behind us is the Edison. That is where we have dining reservations. It was also raining when we first got here, but it's stopped. So hopefully this is it done. So just give you a look around. that your hideaway bar right there? This is hideaway. Oh, that pizza looks nice. Show you around a bit later. Alright, we are inside the Edison. Looks pretty cool in here. Like a 1920s feel. We're supposed to have a band on, so let's really hope they do. The other side. Looks pretty cool. Alright, we're in the Edison. We're down eating. Have some music going. I think I'm gonna get this bad boy. Alright, our drinks have just came in. I got a strawberry fields forever.
Some of our mint plants from back home.
We got some mint, probably out of my garden. Someone got some banana liqueur thing. It's got a banana on it. Go ahead and taste it. See what you think. Is it weird? Alright, let's see. Let's see what mine is like this way. That's nice. That's like a strawberry lemonade. That's what it tastes like.
Just say the word and we can beat those birds down to Acapulco Bay.
Alright, if you just came in, that is the biggest. Just compare this to my hand, people. That is the biggest grilled cheese I've ever seen in my life. Grilled cheese and soup and turtle got Edison burger and fries. Looks good. Alright, that is the end of Disney Day 1. Alright, so we did, obviously me and Turtle traveled today. We all checked into Pop Century. We went to Blizzard Beach. It did get rained out. Kind of rained like every single, like the whole second half of the day, which kind of sucked. But still managed to do stuff. Came back, got our Mickey waffles.
Ice cream.
Or ice cream, sorry. My Mickey ice cream. With my hot chocolate.
Braden's passed out.
Braden is out. He's ready to attack the day tomorrow at Magic Kingdom. That is the plan. We're gonna get up super early tomorrow. Bus is early. Rope drop, first rope drop of the trip. I'm going to rope drop, Base Mountain. Super, super excited. Can't wait for Disney Day 2. See you later.
Take the bus so we can take the Skyliner.